What's up, guys? Just got done with shooting some product shots. Yeah, man, gearing up for next month for New Balance month. More on that later. But yeah, you guys might be wondering, hey, dude, where's Paul? Is this a shoe review? Unfortunately not. It's C-Rock behind the lens, and you've probably read the title of this video, Go9 AC adapter. Well, that's what this video is about. Reason being, here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we've been utilizing different cameras throughout the years since we started, beginning from a T3i to a Canon SL2 to now the Canon 90D. Now, in years past, when we were utilizing those old cameras, I've tried to utilize AC adapters. Reason being is when shooting static shots, you're always in a situation where, you know, you're constantly swapping out batteries. After some time, it does get kind of annoying. You might have to stop in between something and have to swap the battery out because you're running really low. I've purchased different AC adapter setups for our previous cameras, and the main issue that we would always have is that there was an audio buzz, some kind of feedback which you can't EQ out. It's just embedded in the footage. Only alternative or workaround for that would be to utilize an external recorder. For me, that was just more work to do because you'd have to sync and post. I'm just straightforward. I'd like to just skip a step if I can, right? When we recently upgraded to these Canon 90Ds, maybe about a year and a half ago, and then when we started doing more game ball podcasts, the batteries were, you know, always die out, and I was constantly switching those out. So I was really searching around for alternatives. I recently searched on Amazon and I found this charger, Go9. It is a third-party maker that does make accessories, AC adapters for cameras. And they had one for Canon 90D. I also think it works for the Canon EOS R. Not too sure, but I'll link it in the description below. I've been utilizing it now for 2 episodes, and so far so good. And it's been a sigh of relief that there's no buzzing noise. I do want to demonstrate. Right now I'm currently mic'd up with the Rode Wireless Go 2 setup. I'm also going to use this Takstar mic, very cheap and affordable. We've utilized this since day one, and I'm going to cut to that footage right now. Hey, what's up, guys? This is C-Rock behind the lens using the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic setup with the Canon 90D plugged into the Go9 AC adapter. Hey, what's up, guys? This is C-Rock behind the lens, utilizing the Takstar external microphone with the Canon 90D plugged into the Go9 AC adapter. Yeah, so that was the test footage. I think the audio sounds great. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. So yeah, I'm still plugged in. Went back to the Rode Wireless Go 2 setup. We also did utilize the Takstar microphone. It's very cheap. You could find this on Amazon. A really good, really versatile microphone. I would definitely suggest this if you're just starting out. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Anyone that's utilizing a Canon 90D or a Canon setup that is compatible with this charger. Again, it's the Go9 AC adapter. This is something that I've been looking for quite some time, and it's definitely cheaper than the actual Canon OEM chargers. So that's pretty much it. I do want to let you guys know, if you love New Balances, it is officially New Balance month 2022, beginning in April. So make sure that you are subscribed, click the notification button to be updated when those episodes drop. We are working on those right now, so stay tuned. Me and Just Paul have been working on his new music project called Arcteric. It's fire. Make sure to look out for that. It will drop next month. I've also been working with Jay Billion on this project called Frisco. Be on the lookout for that, but in the meantime, I'll put some of his music down there as well. Again, my name is C-Rock behind the lens. This is Shoot Your Shot TV. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.